In this video, I'm going to show you how to upgrade the speaker in a Sonic Models A5 locomotive. I'll also show you how to fit a Stay-Alive for those of you that want to improve the running over points and dirty track. Start by removing the body. It's held on by 3 screws, 2 at the front and 1 there at the back. If the model's already fitted with an X18 sound decoder, you can remove this for the time being. Take out the 2 small screws which hold the circuit board. Underneath you'll find a small sugar cube type speaker. A few customers have already told me that this speaker's a little bit too quiet in their model. I'm going to be using one of the 20x14 thin sugar cube speakers. These always sound good in small models, they've got good bass and good volume for such a small speaker. You can cut the wire quite short and cut off the 2 lugs on either side of the speaker. The speaker fits in the space perfectly. I even reused the little sticky pad which held the original speaker. Solder the wires onto LS plus and minus, which are the speaker connections, and refit the circuit board and the 2 screws. If you want to fit a Stay-Alive too, there's a couple of extra steps because you need to take the top of the cab off so that you can position the Stay-Alive in there, and then you need to run the wires back into the coal bunker so you can connect them to the decoder. Start by using a prizing tool to take out the coal load. Underneath you'll find 2 screws, both of these need to come out. You also need to take out 1 screw underneath which holds the coal bunker. I used a Trainomatic SPPN Stay-Alive. This has to go in the cab, but because it's nice and low, it's very hard to see through the cab windows once the body's back together. You could paint it black, or probably just cover it up with some figures once you've finished. Feed the wires under the coal bunker and then refit all the screws, including the cab roof. You can then carefully solder the 3 Stay-Alive wires onto the sound decoder.